What if you could enjoy food that not only delights your taste buds, but also helps control your diabetes? Sounds too good to be true? Think again. In this video, we'll reveal 7 superfoods that are game changers for managing blood sugar and boosting your health. And don't miss the finale where we uncover the truth about eggs and diabetes. Stay tuned for the answer. Superfood 7. Shrimp. Shrimp is nutrient-dense and carb-free with a glycemic index of 0. High in protein, omega-3s, and essential vitamins like B12 and D, shrimp is versatile and easy to cook. The high omega-3 content in shrimp not only supports heart health by reducing inflammation, but also improves insulin sensitivity, a critical benefit for diabetics. To maximize its health benefits, try steaming or grilling shrimp with minimal seasoning. Other seafood, like octopus and crab, offer similar benefits, but may not be as accessible. Shrimp also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health, a bonus for diabetics prone to eye complications. Superfood 6. Black beans. Black beans are rich in fiber, protein, and nutrients like folate and iron. Despite their carb content, their glycemic index of 30 ensures minimal blood sugar spikes. The fiber in black beans slows glucose absorption, reducing post-meal blood sugar levels. Additionally, their high magnesium content enhances insulin function, further stabilizing blood sugar. Consider adding black beans to soups, salads, or dips, but avoid processed varieties that often contain added sugars and fats. Black beans are also a great source of resistant starch, which feeds healthy gut bacteria and improves overall gut health, a critical factor in managing diabetes. Superfood 5. Berries. Raspberries and blackberries, with low glycemic indexes, 32 for raspberries, 25 for blackberries. These fruits are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. The antioxidants in berries combat oxidative stress, a common issue for diabetics, and improve heart and brain health. Fiber content slows sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritious, tasty meal. Berries also contain anthocyanins, compounds that boost insulin production and improve glucose metabolism, making them particularly beneficial for diabetics. Superfood 4. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens. Packed with vitamin K, A, C, and magnesium, it supports bone health, immune function, and blood sugar stability. The glycemic index of spinach is extremely low, making it a safe option for diabetics to consume in large quantities. The magnesium in spinach aids in improving insulin sensitivity, which can help manage blood sugar levels. Add spinach to salads, stir-fries, or even smoothies for a boost of nutrients without worrying about blood sugar spikes. Spinach also contains lutein, which supports eye health and protects against diabetic retinopathy. Superfood 3. Avocado. Avocado is a powerhouse of healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various essential nutrients like potassium. It has a glycemic index of nearly 0, meaning it won't cause blood sugar spikes. The high fiber content in avocados slows digestion, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Potassium helps manage blood pressure, a common concern for diabetics. Enjoy avocado in salads, on toast, or as guacamole to reap its benefits. Avocados also contain beta-sitosterol, which reduces cholesterol levels and supports heart health. Superfood 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Their high soluble fiber content forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, slowing the digestion of carbohydrates and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Omega-3s in chia seeds also support heart health by reducing inflammation. Sprinkle chia seeds over oatmeal, yogurt, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious addition to your diet. Chia seeds also provide a good source of calcium and phosphorus, supporting bone health. Superfood 1. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein and contain essential nutrients like choline and vitamin D. Despite being low in carbohydrates, they help stabilize blood sugar by keeping you full longer and reducing the need for high-carb snacks. Additionally, the choline in eggs supports brain health, making them a well-rounded choice for diabetics. Opt for boiled or poached eggs to retain their nutritional value without adding unhealthy fats. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against eye complications associated with diabetes. In conclusion, the right food choices have the power to transform diabetes management and elevate your overall well-being. By embracing these 7 superfoods, you can savor delicious meals while maintaining stable blood sugar levels, boosting heart health, and reducing the risk of common diabetic complications. Remember, success lies in balance and variety. Start with small steps, introduce 1 or 2 of these superfoods into your meals, and gradually make them a staple in your diet. With consistent effort and mindful decisions, managing diabetes becomes a fulfilling journey. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more valuable content. Together, let's build a healthier and happier lifestyle.